Samsung Galaxy M53. This is the smartphone that comes with tempting set of specifications, which include a 108 megapixel main camera, MediaTek Dimensity 900 system on chip, and a bigger 6.7 inches AMOLED display. अब इतने सारे specifications डालने के बाद कंपनी ने इस फोन का प्राइस रखा है 26,499 रुपये। अब सवाल ये है कि क्या यूजर्स को इस प्राइस पर M53 खरीदना चाहिए या नहीं। हेलो हाय नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं गैजेट टाइम्स। मैं हूं पावनी जैन और अब शुरू करते हैं हमारा गैलेक्सी M53 स्मार्टफोन का रिव्यू। To begin with the design and looks of this smartphone, it is a tall phone which is also very slim, so the width is fine, but the problem is with its broadness. So this is pretty broad, which is sometimes is uncomfortable to hold. Although this smartphone weighs only 176 grams, तो काफ़ी lightweight रखता है जब आप इसको बहुत देर तक hold कर रखते हैं। अब बात करते हैं इसके build quality की। This smartphone is built of polycarbonate, which is pretty solid. This comes with matte finishing, although it shines a little bit and I do not know what this combination is, but this is cool. अब आते हैं buttons पर। Right side पे आपको मिलता है volume rocker और उसी के नीचे you get a power button as well, which also acts like a fingerprint scanner. It is pretty fast, let me tell you that. Left side पे आपको मिलता है SIM tray. At the bottom you get a Type-C port and a speaker grill. This is a mono speaker which is pretty loud. You get a really big screen with M53. Yes, this was my first impression when I had a look at the phone. This is a 120Hz, 6.7 inches, Full HD Plus, Super AMOLED display. तो इस पे आप content enjoy कर सकते हैं बहुत अच्छे से. Everything is perfect on this screen. Now I'll tell you why. The viewing angles are perfect. You get sharp and punchy colors. And then the text is also readable under bright yellow shine. So what's left? अगर आप इस पे कंटेंट देख रहे हैं, you can enjoy watching it in full resolution when you're streaming content on different platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and that is because it comes with Widevine L1 certification. So basically with M53 you do get a premium quality screen. This phone comes with a quad camera setup at the back of the smartphone. One of the hottest features of this phone is its main camera, which is a 108 megapixel. The other three cameras are an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 2 megapixel depth camera, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. Now coming to the quality of the pictures, it is actually a mishmash. So undeniably, the main camera clicks good pictures in daylight, but performs okayish in low light conditions. Similarly, the photos taken from the other three cameras, be it ultra-wide photos, portrait pictures or macro shots, sometimes they turn out to be really good, other times they turn out to be average. So we do like taking selfies, don't we? To do so, there is a 32 megapixel front shooter that you get on this smartphone, and the result of the selfies is pretty decent. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 900 system on chip. It is able to take everyday tasks smoothly. हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत फ़ोन ये गर्म हो जाता है जब आप इस पे कोई भी हाई टाइटल गेम खेलते हैं या फिर कभी कभार I did notice some lags while switching between the apps. So I would say overall it is fine, but अगर आप एक hardcore gamer हैं या फिर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा photography या बहुत ज़्यादा वीडियो ब्लॉग्स करने की आदत है तो आपका फ़ोन थोड़ा गर्म हो जाएगा. In that case, you wouldn't find the performance on this phone very smooth. On the software front, this phone runs on One UI 4.2 based on Android 12. It comes with pre-installed apps like Byju's, Snapchat, Prime, Netflix, PhonePe and many more. This has always been irritating and it still is. अब आती है बैटरी की बारी. This one packs a 5000 mAh battery, which is pretty standard, पर ये आपको पूरा दिन आराम से चलती है on a typical usage. साथ ही साथ आपको इसमें चार्ज करने के लिए मिलता है 25 वॉट का फास्ट चार्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजी. Box doesn't include any charger. Let me remind you that box skips a charger, so you have to buy it differently. लेकिन 25 watt charging technology की वजह से you will be able to charge your phone 0 to 100% in about 2 hours. So Samsung gives you two storage options with M53. There is a 6GB RAM paired with 128GB of internal storage, priced at Rs 26,499. Then there is a 8GB RAM paired with 128GB of internal storage, priced at Rs 28,499. इसी के साथ यूजर्स को इस फोन के लिए मिलेंगे 3 कलर ऑप्शंस, ब्लू, ग्रीन एंड ब्राउन. मेरा डिवाइस है ग्रीन कलर का, विच इज़ मोर लाइक एन ऑलिव कलर वेरिएंट एंड इट इज़ प्रीटी ब्यूटिफुल. Now is the time I'm going to tell you if you should buy the Samsung Galaxy M53 or not. Well, if you are looking for something decent, a normal smartphone that you can use on everyday basis without any lags, then M53 is your device. But like I said before, अगर आपको hardcore gaming करनी है या फिर आपको स्मार्टफोन, डेडिकेटेड स्मार्टफोन फोटोग्राफी या वीडियोग्राफी के लिए एक फ़ोन चाहिए, then you should give this one a pass and look for something else in the market, maybe options like iQOO Neo 6 or Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge. Decision is yours. हमने बता दिया कि ये स्मार्टफोन कहाँ पर अच्छा है और कहाँ पर अच्छा नहीं है. इसी के साथ ऐसे और रिव्यूज़ देखने के लिए आप सब्सक्राइब करिए गैजेट टाइम्स. ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और कमेंट करके बताइए कि क्या आप ये फ़ोन ख़रीदना चाहेंगे या नहीं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.